India assembles a very large number of smartphones. We are aware of that. It manufactures, well, considerably fewer of their components. The display module, the camera module, the printed circuit board, the parts that actually determine what a phone can actually do. These have largely continued to arrive from overseas, even as the assembly lines have moved to Noida and Chennai. Lava International is an Indian company that has decided to change its own version of that very question. Lava International plans to invest 1100 crore rupees over the next 5 years to manufacture display modules, camera modules, and printed circuit boards in India. Lava Executive Director Sanjeev Agarwal has confirmed the company has already established a new mobile charger facility as the first step in its component diversification, with the chargers produced at 20% lower cost than imported units. The company has capacity to make 40 million mobile phones annually. It has decided that the critical components inside those very phones should be made by the same hands that assemble them. The context is quite important because India's mobile phone exports have become the country's top export commodity, a six-fold increase in electronics manufacturing over just the last 12 years, to nearly 13 lakh crores in production value. That growth has been built substantially on assembly. The components, which actually carry a very significant share of the value, have continued to flow in, yes, from overseas. Lava's 1100 crore rupees, well, is a deliberate move up that value chain. It is also a signal to the industry. An Indian brand without the scale of Apple or Samsung is committing to component manufacturing because the government's electronics component manufacturing scheme has made it viable to do so. The broader picture now actually reinforces the direction. The government has already approved 7 electronics components manufacturing projects worth 5,532 crore rupees under the ECMS, covering multi-layer PCBs, camera module sub-assemblies, and copper laminates. Those approvals are expected to meet 27% of India's domestic PCB demand and 15% of camera module requirements. Lava's investment actually adds to that very base. India is not yet manufacturing the chips that go inside these components. Yes, we are getting there. It is actually building the layer above the chip for now and doing it with Indian capital, Indian brands, and more importantly, Indian assembly lines. The smartphone in our pockets may soon be, well, more Indian than it actually appears. Please do let us know what are your thoughts as far as this wonderful little development goes in the comments below. Please, and this of course is Front Page by the AIM Network. Like, share, subscribe, and always remember, think AI, think AIM. Well, with that, we draw the curtains on our India-centric news. And now, of course, I would like for you to accompany me onto the global stage.